with no fear. Tick. Me and me not stop my man them. Me not respond to about anything they want. Come to mama. Come to mama. Let mama give you what you want. Mama is here to give you what you want. Just come to mama. Good things get paid for. Good things. Oh, and boy, good. Hey, nobody never fuck me like that boy. So we didn't have to buy him anything more by him. I just the truth. Me I fuck from me at 14 and me almost 40 now. I just feel fuck. Supposed to get it. Boy deserve it, like. Baby, got $50 man you buy. Your man so cheap. A $50 feed. Your man can. Jesus. $50 for me. Your mother, how kind of cheap? I feel cheap with that. Crazy. You have to spend all for money for boy. When them cocky good. You can't spend $50. That's why you hurt so because through me do it better than you. Yeah. I'm strong up the woman cream. All about you, I go blood clot. Then you're crazy. They come back, come angle it. Angle and bang blood clot it. Your pussy stink. That still can't stop the fact that you need to get a good gynecologist. Every doctor gives something for that pussy there. It not work. That pussy the damage. Blue face. Every day I watch my pan. And this me go in and do any blood clotting when me I do. And right now the amount of money when me have different from this. Because suck your mother. I'm glad the moment when me get somebody did for blood clot give me money. More than forgive. Oh no. When you get too much. It's the hands on the blood clot feed. You bite it. When the hands are free, you don't bite it. Suck your mother twip. Twip, you're hungry. Right now you do well with one of these. Like your watch Chuck. I'll carry my bag blood clot boy. We can find a boy right now for buy a bike and a bus. Hey, we should go boy out there want a bike and a bus. Link up cheesy blazy. And what are you all fuck? When man just fuck you and park you and put your one little corner says sit there. Sit, boo, sit. Are you that? Your pussy in a value, your tongue in a value. Then me couldn't have fuck and suck from the boy, from Jesus. So that boy know Jesus will come a big man. And I have nothing. Twip. Kill it your pussy. Your pussy dead. Dog toothbrush. More think. Stinky winky. La. Ah. No say blood clot. Still stinky winky, man. That breath in. Don't let it out. People may mix the people them cream. Mama say she want a soap. Me hear a proper soap. When you have a good blood clot customer them, you have to treat them good. And they make me be a good customer and star girl and they make me be a good customer and star girl customer. People buy your cream. Numbers, how you there? No, look how much people over here, mad.